Alright guys, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 1226. It's my Saturday night auction. So here we go. Masterpieces. We've got Dwayne, Chris, Aaron. Chris and Aaron and Abe. Welcome to Abe. His first break with me at 643. Aaron, Dwayne, and Brian. We've got Ron and Aaron with the dart listings. Aaron and Dwayne and Ron and Buck. Buck wishes he had his blues in the last break, but it is what it is. Abe and Jason, Dwayne, Buck, and Dwayne. The multi-card in the 12th edition was won by Boston. Sorry, Tivo. Aaron had Boston. So, here we go. Ron, 3 darts, and Aaron, 6 darts. Pretty sweet card, though, isn't it? Brian was cheering for you, too, because you had the Islanders. 88 for Ron. 19 for Ron. Yeah, very cool card. A couple of nice prime seams on it, too. And a 3. And 6 for Aaron. What do you get? 9. 8. 14. 5. Pretty soon, guys, I'm going to be adding my ultimate vault bonus to the dart bag and to some other places. There's going to be a lot of Vault 101 cards going out. 18, 15. There you go. Into our box, and then we'll get into our bonuses. So I pull a nice Gretzky for 4 boxes in a row, ending in 451. It's just like a loyalty reward. You get darts, you save them up, you cash them out for stuff. So when you get the link for the video, there'll be a link to the dart site that controls it. Or if you look down below the video here, there's links to the cricket. Actually, if you look below the video here, there's all kinds of links to all our bonuses on our site. Because we have 5 breakers here, and we all do different bonuses. We're not a store, so we just give back. You know, we're not really worried about making the big profits. Anyways, here we go. Dowdy. Jamie Ben. Wire photo for Quebec, a.k.a. Colorado. Going to Aaron. Short print, Joe Sakic. It's not a wire photo. I said wire photo. Black and white portraits, Joe Sakic. Alfredson and Pacioretty. Oh, you're going to get some Montreal cards, I'm sure, Brian. Logan Couture. Johnny T. Short print for the New York Islanders and Dwayne. Yes, Bobby Lou. Red cloth. Out of 100. Going to Abe. There you go, Abe. Second pack and you're on the board. Look at that. Bobby Lou. A wire photo. For the New York Rangers, Martin St. Louis scoring on Marc-Andre Fleury. Looks like. Calturis. Oh, this pack is disintegrating. Shrapnel. Brutal. Ryan. Seleno Chara. Sharp prints. For Ron at Pittsburgh. Some Sid the Kid. Spacer. Patty Sharp. And Nuke. Base. True. You're going to get some. You'll get some. At least a short print. Stashny. Alexander Steen. Nice. Rookie card for Abe. Little Jonathan Drouin action for you. Doing pretty good. Welcome to 643. What a jersey card. The Columbus Blue Jackets. And Aaron. It's Sergei Bobrovsky. Yeah, nice Drouin, man. Wheeler and Plekanec. So basically that's what we do every night. We have an auction with bonuses. We take turns, and then afterwards we do single boxes and multi-boxes, whatever. Gretzky. Spezza. Short print, I think, for the Rangers. Yes. Martin St. Louis. Aaron. Hossa and JVR. Base. Gallagher. Duncan Keith. Eberle. Short print for Edmonton and Aaron. And like I said, Montreal will get a card in this break. You got yourself Max Pacioretty. Red cloth. Out of 100. 97 of 100. Red frame cloth. For Brian, and Ryan Getzlaff. Going golfing tomorrow. Oshie. Elias. Short print. The Devils. Yager. Dustin Bufflin. Tyler Ennis. Pominville. Howard. Short print for Philly and Aaron. Peter Forsberg. And, oh, Buck. You're going to like this one, buddy. Autograph. David Backus. Nice hard Backus auto for you, bud. Oh, and Backus backing a Backus. Backstrom. What's with the backs going on? Too much backs. Corey Perry golfing tomorrow as well. And a short print of Bill Guerin for Dallas. And Mr. Barth. Sagan and Malkin. Awesome sauce. You're still playing hockey, probably, yeah? Watching a break, playing hockey at the same time, yeah. Cam Ward. Nice rookies in this box. Hey, Buck. How about Evgeny Kuznetsov rookie card, too. And for the Toronto Maple Leafs, wire photo. JVR and Phil Kessel. Going to Jason. Rene and Ennis. Hey, welcome. Oh, another one of these shrapnel packs. I hate that. Skinner, short print, I believe, for Boston. Yes, Adam Oates. And a wire photo for the Dallas Stars, Tyler Sagan. That's Chris. Zuccarello and Gagne. Dion Phaneuf. Rick Stahl. Oh, good rookies in this box. For Dwayne, Curtis Lazar rookie. So we had Drouin, Lazar, and Kuznetsov. That's pretty sweet. Kessel and Weber. Landy. Jonathan Huberdeau. Sean Monahan short print for Calgary and Aaron. Kopitar and Hurdle. 2 packs left. I think we're still getting a mem, don't we? Or an auto still. Datsuk. Hey, there you go. Guy Lafleur short print for Brian. And the Dallas, nope, for Pittsburgh. And Ron, Bill Guerin wire photo. Kissing the cup. Tumble Joe, Brad Richards. Last pack mojo. Oh, wow. We got a black, oh. Another black leather here. First, portraits, black and white. Phil Kessel for Jason. Oh my goodness. What is that? Beautiful stick piece here. The Colorado Avalanche and Aaron. I believe it's out of 25. Jerome McGinley. Nice stick piece. Look at that. French writing on it. Old Canadian sticks. Out of 35. 33 of 35 going to Aaron. Very cool card right there. Iggy. So, thus concludes the box portion of the break. But we're not done yet. As you know, when the bids go high, I give back. I'm giving away some one-on-ones. Shocking, isn't it? So I'm going to spin the wheel. Give away a couple one-on-ones. First one was a one-on-one to begin with. It's a Guillaume La Tendresse, big old king-size jersey one-on-one. It was a one-on-one when it originally came out, and it's a ruby stamped one-on-one. So somebody's going to get this one. It's going to be the Florida Panthers and the new guy, Abe. New guy luck. There you go, Abe. You got the La Tendresse. Yeah, it's a double one-on-one. Now this next one is pretty sick. I love it. It's vintage. It's Detroit. It's a glove piece. It is, ladies and gentlemen, Bill Gadsby. Vintage glove piece one-of-one. Sapphire. That one's going to go to the Carolina Hurricanes and Dwayne. You got yourself some Gadsby. That's a sweet card, buddy. Alright. Pretty sweet Gadsby. La Tendresse. And I'm tossing in a box of Fleer Ultra. So, whatever comes out, you get to keep with your teams. And then this break is done deal. So, here we go, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah, I love that Gadsby, man. Vintage man like that. I was really close to keeping that card myself. Alright. Here we go. Ultra. Jack Johnson. Huberto. Gong Show Grinders. For Matt Martin for the Islanders. Going to Dwayne. Fleischman. Perry. Olimata. Have to check the base because they hide rookie cards in there. Clefbaum, which I believe is a 14-15 rookie for Aaron. McDonald, Oshie. I see ugly. Yes, it's Daniel Sedin gold medallion for Dwayne. Backus and Richards. 15 left in that ultimate vault bin, guys. Peter Angelo, Ben, Kadri. Buckets for Aaron. It's Shea Weber. Stone and Bufflin. Eakin, Dowdy, Monahan. Kopitar buckets for the Kings and Aaron. Aaron's getting all the buckets. Johansson and Quick. Helm, Schneider. The Canes and Dwayne. Alexander Semin gold medallion. Paye, Callahan, Stepan. Bonoff, Taylor Hall, Franzen. Rookie Redemption gold medallion rookie. Number 17. That's R217. which is going to be for the Philadelphia Flyers. Shane Guts to be here. Going to Aaron. Kreider and Zetterberg. Yeah, it's kind of ho-hum, isn't it? Jones, Varlamov, Jimmy Howard for Aaron. Gold medallion. Pacioretty, Scrivens, Yandel. Cassian, Krejci. Whoa. Rule 76. I don't see this very often. Has to be random. Between Toronto and Edmonton. So Aaron and Jason. Rule 76. Kadri and the Nuge. So, okay. Put that in the randomized pile. Lundy, Green, Shen. The first one of those I pulled it. I haven't broken a lot of this stuff, though. Burroughs, Hedman, Byzantine is a rookie in 14-15 for the Yotes and Dwayne. Tyler Ennis for Buffalo, gold medallion. McKinnon and Berglund. Keith, Shattenkirk, Kopitar for the LA Kings and Aaron, gold medallion. Voracek, Rask, Letman. Vladislav Nemensnikov is a rookie in the year, going to Abe. CC, Sean Horkoff for Chris, gold medallion. Yemi, Edler, and Backstrom. Weber, Ward, Hossa. Nice. Another Iggy tonight. Going to Chris this time. Road to the championship. Tickets. Round 1, Game 1. Boston versus Detroit. Iggy. Joe McGinn. Dupuis. Seabrook and Skinner. Martin. Mason. Valerie Nishkushkin for Dallas. And Chris. Gold medallion. Rene, Price, Wheeler. Should get a couple. Should get one of those country mem dealies. So, oh, I think we have it here. Yep. National Heroes. Sean Lucic and the Nashville Predators and Aaron. Shea Weber. National Heroes. A little ding on the bottom left corner. Nice old Canadian flag there. Eric Holla is a rookie card for Dwayne and Johnny Taves. One left in the multi, guys. Tiranta, Ovechkin, PK Subban, Vern Fiddler, gold medallion for Dallas and Chris. The Pickle, Vlasic, and Reed. Clark MacArthur, Kari Ramo, Rookie Redemption number 21, normal version. RR221 is for the St. Louis Blues and Buck. Yori Leitera for you, Bucky. Brown, JBR, and Nyquist. And Neuber, Crosby, Stahl, Kyle Turris for Ottawa, and Dwayne, gold medallion. Cogliano and Suter. Yeah, I like Yori too. He's going to be a keeper for sure. Zuccarello, Malkin, Vincent, and massively ding corner. Thank you, Upper Deck, for smashing this with a hammer. Out of 99, Anze Kopitar. Wow, it's just ridiculous. Well, to Aaron. Let's see, Platinum out of 99. Markov and Vermette. There we go, guys. It's the end of the bonuses for this break. Wish there was more. Bids weren't as high as the last night's one. But, you know, it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And we got one thing to do. Just random off this card. So left is always black. Red is always right. Left is Toronto. Right is the Edmonton Oilers. And who's going to get it? Let's find out. It's red and right. It goes to Edmonton and Aaron. So you got the random. Alright. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in a few minutes to knock out some bins and have some more fun.